Hello, Professor Kulkarni. This is Nate Kelly presenting for Team 5, which includes myself, Monica Mariner, Matea McKenzie, and Priya Mareedu. This is the final team project for CIS 591. The focus of our final project is on Continental Airlines. We're tasked with developing a business intelligence application specifically for this company. In our presentation, we will describe the business process that we selected and how the process relates to the company's overall strategies. We'll also describe the new application we chose, including the decisions and activities that support it. We'll talk about the metrics that are to be used and what improvements can be expected. We'll discuss why the application needs to be in real time and what real-time data is needed, along with the historical data that can be used and what analysis is done to improve the real-time decision-making activity. We will also discuss the data analysis and decision latencies and to what extent the application accomplishes reducing each one of those. Our chosen business process is flight operations, which aims to provide an exceptional flying experience, both that is safe, on time, and efficient. This is strategically aligned with the strategy of make reliability a reality. We believe this is a core goal to Continental to get everyone who flies with Continental to their destination on time. The application that we developed is International Passenger Assistance. The main purpose of this application is to address the problems international passengers face because of immigration delays, specifically foreign nationals. Issues faced are cultural differences, language barriers, climate change, food change, and time zone and jet lag. We believe all of these issues result in a negative experience for people going through the immigration process while traveling. These issues faced by international travelers results in negative experiences such as customer anxiety, missed flights, lost baggage, and long layovers. All of this can be addressed through our new application. Our solution is excellent customer service to international passengers through business intelligence application. The decisions and activities supported are tracking international customers, monitoring immigration queues, and having a responsive and deployable personnel with the mentality of don't wait for the problem to come to you, instead be proactive in addressing the problem at hand. We believe that once our metrics are assembled, they would go into an interactive graphic interface similar to this example. This shows everything in real time and enables employees to make educated decisions. These are some of the metrics that we believe that would go into the back end of an application like this. All of these are listed in the paper. These are just some examples that we came up with. We do expect a myriad of improvements through this application, including both qualitative and quantitative. On the quantitative side, we expect revenue to increase, but also qualitatively, we expect customer satisfaction and positive word of mouth to improve as well. We believe that this image illustrates why real-time data is needed. All of these different data points are airplanes, and within each one of those data points is a few hundred more data points. Those are the customers. These are all changing and moving in real time, and it needs a data system to support it. Real-time data includes customer flight information, real-time flight statistics, customer profiles, itineraries, scheduled versus actual international flights and times. That is ideally a 1-to-1 ratio, but climate and queue length and missing passengers and missing baggage can delay and change all of the scheduled flights to a different actual flight time. All of this real-time data needs to be tracked and analyzed. That real-time data is included with historical data, including dock-to-dock estimated time to arrival, demographics and nationalities, competitor flight and processing times, security wait times, and baggage latency. Both historical and real-time data needs to be comprehensively analyzed through patterns, forecasting, regressions, clustering, and time analysis in order to help staff make educated decisions both immediately and well into the future based on the changes that they observe and analyze. The ultimate goal of this application is to turn brand detractors into brand advocates. That is done by decreasing data analysis and decision latency. Real time is not necessarily immediate, however, it is much faster than a 24-hour period, which is the maximum time that can be classified as real time. The lower the latency, the more expensive the data refresh. Therefore, we believe ROI needs to be weighted against the lifetime value of the customer and other factors to determine the right refresh rate for things like international flight data, immigration queue lengths, and customer immigration checks. Analysis latency can be decreased and improved through integrated visualizations like what we showed earlier, and also having an educated staff that can make speedy decisions based on those visualizations. Decision latency is similar to analysis latency because the staff needs to be empowered and deployable to be able to respond to predictive alerts. Each one of these decisions made by staff will be a catalyst for expedited decision change that increase the overall processes at Continental. We believe international passenger assistance will make Continental the preferred airline for international travel. The BI and data analysis involved will enable this ongoing system to be changed, updated, and optimized to carry the airline into a successful future. This is Nathan Kelly presenting for Team 5, myself, Monica Mariner, Matea McKenzie, and Priya Mareedu.